back to the 1 minute technical analysis. Today we're looking at UAMY, which is trading at 88 cents currently. So the stock's been correcting since its all-time high back in February, which was at $2.50, and it's been coming down, down, down for almost 4 months now. But right here, we're looking at a falling wedge pattern. And when it broke out of the falling wedge pattern, it was looking for a nice consolidation in the 80 cents range, and it ended up breaking out towards a dollar. It hit a dollar and came straight back down, and we're currently trading at 88 cents, as we said. But the one thing you got to notice is on this reversal play, we're looking at higher highs and higher lows, which is exactly what you're looking for, which means that off of this bounce at the bottom of the bullish channel, we're going to look for another higher high towards 110, 115, and that should happen within, in my opinion, or maybe up to a month. So I hope you guys enjoyed this 1 minute analysis. Invest smartly.